In this module, we will go over alternative text. Screen readers access the alternative text of images and allow the content and/or function of the image to be read aloud. Alternative text is displayed in browsers in place of images if an image file is not loaded or when the user has chosen not to view images. Download the file titled Accessibility Quick Start Generic Unremediated Alt Text. All photos and graphic images that are essential to understanding the content of a course page or document must be assigned an alternative text, so identify the content and/or function of the image. First, we must go into Print View. To do this, select View from the ribbon, and then select Print Layout. Here is an example for decorative images. Right-click on the image located beneath the heading 2 labeled as Alternative Text. Select View Alt Text. Turn the toggle on next to Mark as Decorative. This indicates the image is decorative. For a non-decorative image, right-click on the image above the heading 2 labeled Links. Select View Alt Text and enter alternative text in the description field.